जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Maricha is now talking to Ravanasura, saying that, "Oh Ravana, listen to me and go back to your kingdom. Then you can arrange meeting with all your ministers who are very righteous ministers. And also definitely you have to invite Vibhishana for that meeting. With all of them, again discuss about what you are thinking now. And then after you discuss with them, go and keep yourself sit alone and then start measuring your strength and Rama's strength. Atmanascha balam jnatva. You have to measure your strength perfectly. Then Raghavasya cha tat tataha. Rama's strength. Whatever now I said to you, you have to remember that and you have to measure Rama's strength as it is. Do not underestimate Rama. Then hita hitam. After that you have to think what is going to happen to you, what is good going to happen to you, how much of bad is going to happen to you after you do what you are now thinking about to do. Then tvam kartum arhasi. Then you come to a decision and do that. And also now again and again I am telling you, Ravana, what is my opinion is ahantu manye tavana kshemam rane. According to my opinion, you should not be going against Rama at all, which is not at all good to you. Oh Ravana, now let me tell you about my past. I used to be living in Dandakaranyam. I used to have thousands of elephant strength. I used to be like a big mountain, and I used to wear all kind of golden ornaments and used to have a wonderful crown. Then while carrying my weapons, if I am going around, bhayam lokasya janayan, everybody used to be scared from me. And there was no one against to me in Dandakaranyam. Vecharam Dandakaranye. I used to enjoy Dandakaranyam. Rishi Mamsani Bhakshayan. I used to eat all the rishis and there is no one who can say no to me. That was my past. At that time, in the same Dandakaranyam, Vishwamitra Maharshi also was living and doing some yajnas. So he was so much scared from me and he finally went to Dasharatha Maharaju asking, "Oh Maharaja, please send your son Rama so that he can protect all of us from the demon Maricha. Adya rakshatu mam Ramaha." Like that he requested, Vishwamitra Maharshi requested Dasharatha Maharaju to send Rama. But Dasharatha Maharaju said, "O Maharshi, Balo Dvadasavarshayam, my Rama is even now only 12 years, very young child. I cannot send him. O Maharshi, if you want, I can go with you in taking entire of my army." Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju said to Vishwamitra Maharshi. All this story, now Maricha is saying to Ravanasura about his past. Maricha is now saying to Ravanasura that, "Oh Ravana, when Vishwamitra went and asked for Rama, Dasharatha Maharaju saying that, 'Oh Vishwamitra Maharshi, if you want, I can go to forest along with my balena, chaturangena, swayam, etya, nisacharan. I can take my entire army and go and kill all those Rakshasas who are disturbing you.'" When Dasharatha Maharaju said like this, now Vishwamitra Maharshi saying that, "Oh Raja, Ramat na anyat balam loke." No other than Rama can kill those Rakshasas. Only Rama can kill those Rakshasas. I know, O Maharaja, you have done so many great wars. and you also have helped Devatas. All the great things that you have done is still being heard and said and appreciated by Triloke Viditam Rupaha. In the entire world, everybody is talking about your great achievements. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.